G'day, cocktail lover. What can I give you? Hey, no. Their type's not allowed in here. They have to go outside.
What, do you mean my droids?
What? Droids? No, droids are fine. There's some Trump supporters. They're always trying to sneak in. They're like cockroaches. Such a pack of losers. They bring down the mood everywhere, wherever they go. Anyway, what can I get for you today? Something purple may be appropriate? I know what I'll make for you. I'll make you a version of the classic Aviation. This starts out with 2 ounces of gin.
You should make it a double.
I should make you a double. In fact, I think I'll make it in a tall glass so it gives off more of a lightsaber vibe. So that means I'm starting with 4 ounces of gin. Put in that now, cocktail shaker. Ha! Cocktail Tony's not the only one who can go to town with huge amounts of ingredients in a drink. Then we're going to add 1 ounce or 30 mils of maraschino liqueur into our shaker. Then we have our glorious purple. I'm going to add 1 ounce of a violet liqueur into the cocktail shaker. The final touch is some lemon juice, and because I'm making a double, I'm going to put 1.5 ounces of lemon juice into our shaker. We add ice to our shaker, put it together, bang it in hard, and give that a good solid shake for about 15 seconds.
Hey, can I get some death sticks?
You don't want to buy death sticks.
I don't want to buy death sticks.
You want to go home and
I
rethink
want to go home and rethink my life.
I'm going to do a dirty dump of the drink straight into the tall glass, ice and all. And here is your rather unorthodox Jedi Aviation mutation.
Is this sand? I don't like sand.
What? No, that's a sugar rim.
It's coarse. It gets everywhere.
It isn't sand. Why would I put sand in a drink?
Better than blue milk.
It's a lot more sanitary than blue milk as well. Glad you're enjoying it. And may the 4th be with you.